For the ladies out there, this is for you, a message to rekindle romance in your life and make your man totally obsessed by you, just like when you first met. If you feel he has lost or is losing interest in you, then now is the opportunity to reverse this sorry pattern. You are about to receive a secret dating lesson from Sir Lancelot, a method for winning the heart and mind of your man. Secrets that show how with a positive attitude to him you will receive a deeper commitment from him. We will show you how to discuss with him where the relationship is going and how to get it right back on track. The secret P word that will make or break your relationships. The secret to getting the specific kind of man you want. The secret of balanced pursuit. Secret to the best date conversation topics. The #1 method for building emotional intimacy with a man. How to make affirmations works. Should I use online dating sites or is that a waste of time? Are there any tricks to making a man fall in love with you? Guys and emotions. Look, the list of topics covered by this course is vast but easy to understand and implement. Click the link for further information and a life enhanced by love, romance and committed intimacy. You owe this to yourself. Click the link to begin or rekindle a life of love.